Come on, let's see how many of these airport terms you know.
What is this called? Baggage trolley? What is this called? Boarding pass. What is this called? Check-in desk or counter. What is this called? Conveyor belt. What is this called? Carousel. What is this called? Metal detector. What is this called? Separate tray. What is this called? Flight info boards. What is this called? Boarding gate.
What is this thing behind me called? Tell me in the comments.